What we learned in Wildcrafts about Florida Panthers by Mrs. Sawmiller's amazing first grade class. Table of Contents. Introduction, page 1. Claws, page 2. What they eat, page 3. Panther and the crocodile animal fight, page 4. What panthers look like, page 5. How they run, page 6. How they hunt, page 7. Panther power, page 8. How many are left, page 9. Conclusion, page 10. Introduction by Aria, Anna, and Lila. What has powerful back legs? What has retractable claws? It's a Florida panther. Scratch, scratch. In this book, we will teach you about Florida panthers. All About Claws by Olivia and Kaya. A claw is a very pointy thing that is very pointy. When the panther wants to keep his or her claw safe, they go into her or his paw. In fact, they use their sharp claws to battle other animals. All About Florida Panthers by Angela. How they eat. What they eat. Turkeys, mammals, coyotes, meat. They eat turkeys. And crocodiles are hunters. Panther has claws. Crocodiles have scales. Panther have power. Panthers can scratch. Crocodile can tattletale. I wonder which animal is going to win. This is a big battle between the crocodile and panther. What panthers look like by Jack and Lexi. Panther moms are tannish with a streak of dark red on top. Cubs are tan with the black spots. Both have blue eyes and black on each eye. How They Won by Colin and Julian. Whoosh! What was that? A Florida panther. They run in and out, in and out. Their paws go in and out. How They Hunt by Addie and Victoria. Panthers are cool because they are predators and they hunt their prey. Panthers dig their food up for later. Their claws help them eat. Fun fact, night vision helps them hunt. Panther Power by Asher and Bodie. The legs are powerful and the smell powerful. The eyes are powerful and are nocturnal, but ears are like satellites. The diagram shows all of the powers, like these powers: smell, hearing, eyes, speed. How Many Are Left by Jacob and Massimo, 100 in the Wild. This is a picture of a Florida panther. Do you know how many Florida panthers are left? 100 are left in the wild. That is not a lot. They would be hard to find. Jokes. Knock, knock. Who's there? Florida Panther. Florida Panther who? Florida Panther, I'm coming for you. Where do panthers live? Panther Hotel. Knock, knock. Who's there? Scratch, scratch. Scratch, scratch. Who? Florida Panther's coming after you.
Conclusion. Let's wrap this panther up. I hope you learned about Florida Panthers. They are a cool creature with lots of creature powers.
About the authors, we are the first graders in Miss Sawmiller's first grade class. We got the facts from watching a Wildcrats show together. We used buddy writing with our buddies from our class.